Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make grid collage in Instagram. Start by choosing a high-resolution photo and decide on a 3x3 or 2x3 grid layout. Then sketch tile placement and key focal points so the image reads smoothly when posted. Finally, export each slice at equal pixel dimensions and keep file names ordered to simplify posting sequence. Begin by selecting a bright, high-resolution image and crop it square to match Instagram's grid. Next, fine-tune exposure, contrast, and color so every slice looks consistent. Save a master file and note the pixel dimensions you want for each tile, because consistent sizing prevents misalignment when you split and export the individual images for posting. Open your edited square in a slicing tool or grid plugin and divide it evenly into your chosen grid, such as 9 equal tiles for a 3x3. Export each tile as a high-quality JPEG or PNG and label them in posting order to keep sequence straight. Double-check each slice for alignment and quality before uploading to Instagram to ensure the collage appears seamless.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.